Hi everybody, meteorologist Don Morelli with you here on iFIBER Channel 1 News. Your forecast brought to you by Inland Empire Toyota dealers. Toyota, let's go places. In fact, you could go anywhere this weekend looking very nice, above normal weekend as far as temperatures go. And then as advertised the past couple of days, a little cooler weather pattern for at least midweek next week. So look for the winds to pick up during the weekend, a little breezy during the weekend, especially in the passes. If you're up and around the Cascades, be careful for that. Mid-80s, not too bad. A little bit above normal for the weekend. Mid-70s, a little bit closer to where we should be by midweek next week. Specifically, as far as today was concerned, 86 was the afternoon high. Yesterday we hit 90, so a little cooler already. So that slight cooling trend's already started. We'll be about there tomorrow as well. 96 was a record high after a morning low of 60. And now in Moses Lake, we topped out at 87 after a morning low of 61. And yesterday was 91 in Moses Lake. So both areas about 4 degrees cooler. We'll hang steady for about a day before we see about a 2 to 3 degree drop with each successive day into early next week. Currently outside, we're settling into a nice evening. Upper 70s, lower to mid 80s still across the area. Beautiful, beautiful setting sun out there the next few hours. The breeze, though, again, as mentioned, a little gusty from the west-northwest, and that'll remain so for the next several days. Here's what's going on. Again, not much on satellite picture, just a few afternoon clouds and a little sprinkle in the mountains. But again, looking for a little moisture to come on up and a little cool pocket developing, and it's slowly going to come through our area during the early portion of the work week, and it's going to help kick up some winds as well. So as we go through the motion overnight tonight, Saturday, looking for mainly clear skies. You see all the moisture gathering here, so a little cool pocket developing, and it'll try spilling southeastward as the work week progresses. But the weekend you can see looking fairly decent. Here's the signs of the cool front, really, the little brighter clouds they're developing, and that's why we're seeing possibly a little cooler weather pattern to take us into midweek next week. But again, until then, what a weekend. In fact, here's a statewide forecast. Plenty of sunshine from border to border. Maybe a few clouds along the coast. Temperatures lower to mid 60s along the coastal areas. Upper 70s along the inland northwest. But as we come into the Columbia Basin, again, some downsloping winds. And of course, that warms things up here in the valley a bit. The Columbia Basin mid 80s for the most part, with plenty of sunshine expected. Not too bad. Bridgeport, 83 degrees. So again, a little bit above normal still for a couple more days. Mid 80s. Then the lower 80s as we slide into the work week, and then finally 70s as we slide into the work week. A little cool, but not too bad, actually. I kind of like it. Hope you will enjoy it, too. Again, your forecast brought to you by Inland Empire Toyota dealers. Hope you have a great weekend, everybody. Let's go places. Enjoy yourself.